Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Arts Core tutorial. In this video we will see how to draw a nose from two different angles using only circles. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. The materials you will need is a pencil, an eraser stick, and a blender. The first nose we will be drawing is from the front angle. Start by drawing a circle and then draw a line from the center. Now, draw two smaller circles, keeping the intersections at the center of them. Start at the bottom of the bigger circle and draw the basic shape. Use the outer edge of the smaller circles to draw the two sides. Now from the middle circle, start drawing the bridge. Use an eraser to erase all the guidelines. Now that you have the basic shape ready, start shading in the shown areas with a pencil. Leave these parts lighter because that is where the light is reflecting from. Now blend it out using a paper stump. Remember to press gently for the lighter areas. Use a pencil and darken some areas once again, and then blend it out. Now use an eraser to lighten up the bridge, and then blend it out. The final step is to use the remaining graphite on the blender to add a shadow under the nose. The second nose is the side angle. Start by drawing a circle and then draw a line horizontally from the center. Draw a smaller circle below the line, right here. Make sure the bottom of the circle goes slightly below the larger one. Now draw the basic shape and start shading. Erase the extra guidelines and shade a little more. Now start blending. Remember to press gently for the lighter areas like the tip, bridge, and the side. Use an eraser to define the highlights and then blend again. Alternate between the eraser and blender to give the values. And this is how you can draw noses from 2 different angles. If you learned something from this video, please like and comment below what tutorial I should do next. You can also check out my other videos for more tutorials. Thank you.